So let's start with the overhand butterfly. And then what you'll do is turn 90 degrees, do a takeout with the right hand. And then let's do 4 repetitions of the flower. So 1 and over the top, across the bottom, 2 over the top, across the bottom, 3 over the top, across the bottom, 4 over the top, across the bottom, come into overhand butterfly in the front. So from here, your left is just going to come down in front of you, and your right, you're going to swing to the front into overhand butterfly. And then we're going to turn to the left. So you do the left takeout, and then we're going to do 4 versions of the flower on this side. So for this one, the left will go to the front first, the right one will go to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So front and back, over the top, across the bottom, to the petal. Over the top, front and back, across the bottom, over the top, across the bottom, over the top, across the bottom, and I think I counted wrong, and across the bottom, and then come back to overhand butterfly on the front. So let's do it again. Now we're going to turn to the right, take out, 5, 6, 7, go, and petal over the top, petal, and across the bottom, petal over the top, and over the top again, and last time over the top, and come back to the overhand butterfly, turn left, and 5, 6, 7, 8, front and back, and then over the top, and over the top again, petal, bottom, and over the top again, and over the top last time, and come to the front in overhand butterfly. Okay, now we're going to make it a little bit more fun. Well, or maybe not more fun for you, but more fun for me. What we're going to do on this one is we'll go into the flower, and then we'll come back to the butterfly, do a butterfly turnaround, then go the other way and do 2 flowers. So instead of 4, we're going to do 2, and then come back into the butterfly turnaround the other way. So let's start going to the right. We're going to turn to the right, take out, then we'll do 2 flowers. So front and back, over the top, front and back, across the bottom, front and back, over the top, front and back, across the bottom, come back into the overhand butterfly, butterfly turn around to the left, then turn another 90 degrees, then front and back, over the top, front and back, across the bottom, front and back, over the top, front and cross, back, across the bottom, and then come to the front in the butterfly, then right butterfly turn around, and you're back to where you started. Let's repeat the combination. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, take out 2 flowers, and second flower, turn left into the butterfly, butterfly turn around to the left, 1 more turn 90 degrees, 2 petals, second 2-petal flower, into the butterfly in the front, and right turn around 360 degrees. Just to even it out, we'll start this one going to the left. We're going to do the takeout, and then here we go, the 2-petal flower, boom, and boom, and now come into the butterfly in the front, then the right 360, and then 1 more 90-degree turn, and then 2-petal here, and into the butterfly, and then the left turn 360, and then another 90 degrees, and then the 2-petal here, and then turn into the butterfly on the right, and then the right turn 360, and then 1 more 90-degree turn, then the 2-petal flower here, and then back to the butterfly, and then the left turn 360. I'll do the left turn first, and 5, 6, 7, 8, bum, 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 and bum, 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 bum.